everyone, I am Saeed Jawad from Pakistan. I am in my final year of bachelor's degree in computer science. Along with studies, I have been teaching CS for more than 3 years. Now what I teach? First, if you are interested in coding, I will guide you step by step in Python, C, C++, Java, web development, HTML, CSS, along with interesting fields like machine learning and artificial intelligence. Secondly, if you are a learner and want strong foundation in concepts and theories, I will teach you data structure and algorithm, operating system, database networking, computer architecture, and many more. Lastly, school students can also learn computer basics, programming, MS Office, and IT skills with me. I can also support them with their school curriculum. I experience teaching students of all levels. I tend to adopt teaching methodology that is proven to be very effective in terms of learning. For example, first, teacher student understanding. Second, tailor lesson according to student goals. Third, tracking student progress for real growth. Last but not the least, my classes are student centered where students have a choice and control in their learning. So, I really hope that you book my trial lesson and we'll have a lot of fun learning together. Thank you.